Come test drive the 2012 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front all season, 4th passenger door, tires, rear all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.